What's up, guys? Welcome to your 184th Android tutorial for the new Boston, and thank goodness we're done with all that OpenGL stuff because it's time to go into something a little bit easier, kick your feet up, relax a little bit, and as you can see, this is what we're pretty much doing. You're like, what? You ruined it. You ruined our application. It's white now. Or what do? You just set the background to white? Well, kind of. This is a theme. And we can apply different themes to different activities, which we've kind of done with our About Us, if you guys remember, with our About Us section when we did our menu and then About Us or whatever. That was a theme that we applied. In this tutorial, I'm going to talk about pretty much the other themes that they have, such as like the text play. Whoa, transparent. There's not. You can still see the background of the activity behind this activity, and this one still works. We can do all of our commands and stuff. Still hit back, and there we go. We can also do, let's see here, forgot which ones I applied it to. Yeah, black background, pretty much the same stuff, or pretty much looks the same there, but let's get into it. It's gonna be pretty simple, pretty easy, so look forward to that. And what we're going to do is we're going to either pick out a few applications, or we can actually apply the theme to the whole application. I'm sorry. We can apply a theme to a specific activity, which we've done with our About Us activity, or we can apply it to our whole application. So you can keep that in mind as well. So we're just going to pick out a few, such as the menu. We're going to set up this to be the white or the light theme. So again, how we do this is we're just going to go within our opening bracket here, so make sure you're within this part of the activity line, and then we're just going to say Android theme is equal to at Android style swagga, as they call it, and then we just apply our theme by going theme dot light, for example. Light is the white background that I just showed you, that I applied to the whole activity, I think, or the whole application, I should say. So again, just to do that, you can just cut this line here, or cut it and paste it right within, again, our opening application line here. So again, give yourself some space, paste it if you want your whole application. Oops. Spoiler alert. Oh geez. Alright, so this will basically apply this light theme to our whole application instead of individual activities. So you could do that. I'm not going to. But let's see some of the other ones. So again, I'm just going to copy this line of code, and we're going to go into our starting point activity, and again, give us some space within the opening bracket here, paste, and what is another method called? Well, we have translucent. Really hope I can spell. Oh man, I knew I should not recopy that light one. Alright, so there we go. There's the translucent one. That's the clear background. You can see behind it, all that good stuff. And lastly, at least lastly that I know of, there's one called just black, which is basically just a black background. Sometimes by default, people, depending on which platform they're running on, will have kind of a grayish background, and this will just make it black. So that's why you might want to call that command. But that's pretty much it for this tutorial, guys. I'm going to delete this because I don't really like the look of it, the light, but it can be pretty cool in certain activities and such. So it's always good to keep that in mind, to customize your apps a little bit differently than everyone else on the marketplace. So hopefully you can do that with some themes, and I'll catch you guys in the next tutorial. See you later.